Hello, everybody. Welcome to day one of my daily vlog. I will try to post other videos in addition to the vlog, but I will try to post a vlog video daily where I track some of my daily movements and share with you guys about it and brush up on my video editing skills in the process. Now you might be wondering, well, wasn't the daily content video the first day of the vlog? And I would say no, that's more of an intro. Now this is an actual day one vlog entry where I talk about what happens in my day. Like here, for starters, I go to the gym basically right after I promise you a daily vlog. And here's the footage of what happened in that gym. Okay, right after I made that daily content promise, I found myself here at the gym. Okay. For the elliptical, I like the hand motion and the legs, low impact. I always hit quick start. You? I'm out of here. But I've popped in there for about 20 minutes. I can tell you I feel a little better. Okay, so as I sit here and I just ponder what else to tell you in today's day one content, I realize I could actually tell you a little bit about resumes. So let's look at resumes. If you look here, I will show you a resume. You'll see there's an optional second page, which is just references. So it's people you know, and then the first main page of the resume, this is the resume of a friend. Everything is lined up perfectly. You'll see symmetry and margins beautifully lined up, and you have to make sure all your words are well spoken. Guys, I hope that was helpful. There's a little run through on the resume front. If that was helpful, or if you want more detail, I'll gladly make a separate elaborate video on that. So just leave a message in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the show. What's going on, everybody? Okay, another update. I just ran into my friend Max. I'll respect his privacy, but we've been talking, and it's all about positivity. You know, you believe it, you achieve it. All right, let's carry on. You do a quick load of laundry, boys. My goodness, on that beautiful walk just now, I just dropped my phone. It was a real bad one too. It sounded terrible. Though, thankfully it was good, no damage. Phew. Yeah! Just put laundry, so the response to the vlog. Now I'm going on a scooter ride with a friend. The scooter ride was amazing. Oh. Now it's time to finish up the laundry. Oh yeah, that's good laundry. Oh, I love good laundry. Thank goodness, finally done. I appreciate you joining me on today's journey. I'll see you for tomorrow's. Goodbye.